Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I made a little chair for my daughter. These are the pieces that I use for the back, the seat, the feet, the arms, and a little section for her little eating area. I use screws to anchor everything together. I start with the feet by just creating a little groove just so I can put the area for the seat in, and I place them at the sides so she'll still have wide enough space to sit on. For the back piece, I made a mark just where I need to anchor the seat at the back. So I put in my screws and I anchored it at the back. Now when it came to the arms, I did them like this, so I don't know how to explain it, but I did a little groove and then I did a section that you guys can see. So the little groove is like just to anchor to the back, and then the other section is to put where the arms, the foot go up, so the arms rest right on the foot. So you guys can see what it looks like once all the pieces are assembled together. So this is what I did, and this was quick and easy, you guys. This only took me like a few, like probably 2 hours to cut everything and put them together. At the front, I anchored the feet so that they would be sturdy and they would not wobble but be firm. So that's what I did at the front, and I must say it was very good. Now for the eating section, the big piece is going to be the base, the 2 smaller pieces for the side, and then the long piece at the front. I had a leftover waterproof fabric, so I used that to wrap all of my pieces. So this is what they look like once they were wrapped. And then I went on ahead and I started assembling the pieces together. Now I started with the side sections. I assembled the 2 side sections first. So this is what they look like once I screwed them on, and then I put the front section on. Now I decided to flush the top and leave a 2-inch section going at the bottom so that when I put it on the chair, everything would be flushed. Now to make it stay on the chair, I decided to put 2 little pieces underneath the bottom. So I took the measurements based on how wide the chair was, and I screwed 2 little pieces of wood down so that when I put it onto the chair, it is stiff and firm and it stays in place so my daughter doesn't move it around when she's eating. Now as for the rest of the chair, I cut the front section off because the arms were too long, and then I went ahead and I applied my sponge. I had some leftover sponge from when I did her bed, so I just utilized everything. Now I had some leftover fabric from when I did her other chair, so I just used that up to wrap the sponge section for this chair, and I like the way it turned out because the pink with the wood looks very nice. Now for the back section, I got some strips. Now I took my staple gun and I just stapled that right around the edge so I could hide all of the staples that I did before and the raw edge for the back of the chair. I just wanted it to have a nice look and a clean finish. Now you guys let me know what you think about this video. It was quick and easy. This was a 1-day project. It was very quick and easy for me. Let me know if you guys want to see more of these types of content. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to check me out over on Being Me TV. Bye guys.